Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we will start another new chapter of class 10. Chapter name is pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, now see, if we write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Why it is linear equation in two variables? Because here x to the power 1 and y to the power 1, that's in power of x and y is 1, that's why it is linear. Okay, so here equal to 0 present, so that's why it is equation. And here two variables, that's in x and y present, that's why two variables x and y present, that's why linear equation in two variables. And a1 comma b1 and c1 are real or constant. Clear? So now what is pair of linear equation in two variables? Okay, if we write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and another linear equation in two variables, suppose a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, then together we called pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, clear? Now here we written this, an equation that can be of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a comma b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. Clear? Is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. So where a, b, c are real number or constant, x and y are variable, and then ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is called linear equation in two variables. Clear? Next, the general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Okay, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, where a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square not equals to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square not equals to 0. Okay, these two linear equations are in the same two variables x and y, so here x and y, also here x and y. Clear? So equation like this are called a pair of linear equation in two variables. Clear? That's mean together these pair of linear equation, together these equations are called pair of linear equation. Clear? Now see this question. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencil and 3 eraser for ₹9. Okay, her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencil and eraser with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencil and 6 eraser of the same kind for ₹18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Clear? So at first we represent the situation algebraically, after that graphically. That's mean, so at first we write pair of linear equation in two variables, or linear equations in two variables, same. So at first we write pair of linear equation in two variables. So Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencil and 3 eraser for ₹9. So let the cost of a pencil be x and let the cost of eraser be y. Okay, so Romila purchased 2 pencil and 3 eraser for ₹9. that's why 2 into cost of pencil plus 3 into cost of eraser equal to 9. That's mean twice x plus thrice y equal to 9. That's mean twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equals to 0. So this is the first linear equation in two variables for Romila. Next one is her friend name is Sonali. Okay, so Sonali bought 4 pencil and 6 eraser. That's mean 4 into x plus 6 into y, okay, equal to rupees 18. That's mean equal to 18. Clear? So it implies 4x plus 6y minus 18, this equal to 0. Clear? So see, so here we write also Sonali purchased 4 pencil and 6 eraser for rupees 18. So 4 into cost of pencil plus 6 into cost of eraser equal to 18. So 4x plus 6y equal to 18. So 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. So this is the another linear equation in two variables. So now second, that's mean we represent this situation graphically. So now we plotting the equation, okay, that's mean at first, so this is twice x, first one is twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equals to 0, this is equation 1, and next one is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0, this is the second one. So now we represent the first line or first equation in the graph paper, and next we represent the second equation in the graph paper. Clear? So first one is solving equation 1, that's mean twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equals to 0. So thrice y equal to 9 minus twice x, so y equal to 9 minus twice x divided by 3. Clear? So now if we take x equals to 0, clear, that's mean 9 minus 0 divided by 3, that's mean y equal to 3. So if we take x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Clear? Now if we take x equal to 3, that's mean 9 minus 6, so 3 by 3, that's mean y equals to 1. Clear? So this is the point when x equal to 0, y equal to 3, when x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Now we plot these points in the graph paper. Similarly we find for the another linear equation. So next is for 2, so 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0, that means 6y equal to 18 minus 4x, so y equal to 18 minus 4x divided by 6. So if we put x equals to 0, then we get y equal to 3. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 3. Again for if we take x equals to 6, y equal to minus 1. Now we plot these 4 points in the graph paper. Clear? So here listen students, why both the linear equation are same. So here first one is twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equal to 0, and second one is 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. From second one if we common 2, that's mean this is twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equal to 0. So that's mean twice x plus thrice y minus 9, that's mean 0 divided by 2, so equal to 0. So this is twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equals to 0, first one, and second one is also twice x plus thrice y minus 9 equal to 0. So both the linear equation are coincident. Clear? That's mean at first we write the pair of linear equation in two variables. After that we represent this situation graphically. Okay. Next question. Question is two rails are represented by the equation x plus twice y minus 4 equals to 0 and twice x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Represent this situation graphically. Represent this situation graphically means represent this situation geometrically or graphically. So here is geometrically. That's mean represent this situation graphically. Clear? That's mean graphically and geometrically is same meanings. Clear? So here equation is given, simply we represent this situation geometrically. So here equation is x plus twice y minus 4 equals to 0, and second one is twice x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So for first equation, so x plus twice y minus 4 equals to 0, so twice y equal to 4 minus x, so y equal to 4 minus x divided by 2. Okay, so if we take x equals to 0, then y equal to 2. Again if we take x equal to 2, then y equal to 1. So first point is 0 comma 2, second is 2 comma 1. Clear? So this portion you can do in your rough paper. Okay, after that you just write this point. Clear? Okay, that's mean in your rough paper you solve this, find the values of x and y. After that you just write this. That's mean when x equal to 0, y equal to 2, when x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Okay, now we solve the equation 2. That's mean twice x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. So here twice x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. So 4y equal to 12 minus twice x, so y equal to 12 minus twice x minus divided by 4. So y equal to 12 minus twice x divided by 4. So if we take x equal to 0, then we get y equal to 3. Again if we take x equal to 2, then y equal to 2. This part you can do in your rough paper. Okay, and after that you just write this: when x equal to 0, y equal to 3, when x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Clear? Now we plot these 4 points on the graph. Okay, so here first one is x equal to 0, y equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So here 0 comma 2 first point is, so this is 0 comma 2. Clear? Next point is 2 comma 1, this is 2, here is 1, that's mean this is 2 comma 1. So this is the line represent by the equation 4y plus twice x minus 12 equal to 0. Clear? Next 0 comma 3, the point is 0 comma 3, x equal to 0 and y equal to 3, that's mean this point. Clear? Next is 2 comma 2, that's mean this point. So after that this is the line represented by the equation twice y plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Clear? So if equation is given, then simply find the points. Okay, and after that represent the points on the graph paper. Okay, so student, this was the basic things of pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, in next class we will solve the exercise 3.1.